After rotating your tire pressure monitoring system might display incorrect pressure readings or a warning light. This is because direct TPMS sensors have unique IDs linked to specific wheel positions. When you move the tires, the system needs to relearn or reset these positions. Ignoring this can lead to persistent low pressure alerts, even if your tires are properly inflated. Indirect TPMS, which estimates pressure via wheel speed, may also require recalibration after rotation, though it's less common. For direct TPMS, relearn methods include automatic and manual options. The automatic method involves driving the vehicle at 25 to 50 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes, allowing the system to detect and map new sensor positions. If automatic relearn doesn't work, use manual methods with an OBD2 tool, scan tool, or manufacturer-specific apps like Ford's MyKey or Toyota's TechStream to force sensor recognition. For indirect TPMS, recalibration is done through the vehicle's menu options. Always consult your owner's manual for specific step-by-step instructions to ensure proper reset. Always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions. If unsure, professional service costs between $50 and $150 and ensures proper reset while avoiding potential tire damage.